channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Really quick before we move on. So today I came up with this super wearable Valentine's Day look. I noticed that every year I always come up with something super pink or like a red lip, and I want to do something different and something that I will actually wear to dinner with Rex, with my husband. So this is what I came up with. So I do have a little pop of pink still. It is a little bit of a cut crease, has a little bit of glitter, but it's still super wearable. And trust me, you guys, it's so easy. Like, this look is super easy to achieve, and I'm the type of person who likes to wear nude lips personally, whether it is Valentine's Day or not. Yeah, so I just thought that I want to be different, and I want to come up with something super wearable for everybody, because I know not everyone loves to wear like a super pink makeup to dinner or whatever on Valentine's Day, or some of you guys are not comfortable with wearing a red lip. So I really do hope you guys like this look and like this tutorial. But before we move on to the tutorial, I do want to talk about my favorite bra, which you guys already know. Up bra is the way to go, you guys. Valentine's Day is the perfect time to ask for a bra as your gift from your partner, or if anything, get it for yourself so your chichis can look real good for dinner, for Valentine's Day in the bedroom or whatever. So I do have the t-shirt bra on right now, and girl, a bra just makes my boobies look so good. I do have mommy boobies, which droop down low, saggy, and no volume, but honestly, a bra saves my life. This is what it looks like without the bra, as you can see. So this is what it looks like with the bra on. I do have a discount code for you guys, which I will include right here on the screen, and as well as down in the description box below. I will also leave the link where you can purchase a bra. Again, don't forget to use the discount code. I will not get any commission from it, but you will get $10 off your purchase. So they are known for these straps right here. So this is the Stay Up strapless bra, and they have, I believe, 3 or 4 colors available. So they have this like heartfelt stuff right here that will stick to your boobies and will keep your bra up. And they have this adjustable straps right here where it can help make your cleavage closer and just more visible. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So let's start off by priming our face with the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Primer. And then for foundation, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color 220 Natural Beige, and I'm just blending it out with my LA Girl sponge. And then next I'm going into the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking that like light brown color, and I'm just setting my eyes with that. And then I'm going into the mustardy brown color, and I'm just gonna pop that all over the crease from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner with a big fluffy blending brush. So you want to make sure you just blend everything seamlessly. And then next I'm going to that like burnt orangey brown color, and then I'm also going to be using a fluffy blending brush for that color, and I'm just going to pop it on the outer corner. This color is really pigmented, so you'll notice me tapping off the excess color a few times while blending. And then next is the star of the show, which is the Stila glitter. I don't know what exactly it's called, but the color is called Kitten Karma. So this has like a hue of pink in it, and it's really beautiful. I really love this color, and I just cut half of my crease with that. The applicator makes it so easy to cut the crease. And then of course going back to that burnt orange color again and just blending out the harsh edges between the glitter and the outer corner color. And then next I'm using my NYX Liquid Liner, and I'm just winging out my liner as usual. You don't have to do this part if you don't like to wing out your liner. So do you, boo. Whatever you like to do, just do it. So yeah, and then next I'm grabbing my InstaHOE lashes by Baddie, popping that on. Power of editing, it's on like Donkey Kong. And then next I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Vanilla. I like my under eyes to be really bright, so you know, go with whatever you like. And then I quickly set it with my Huda Beauty translucent powder, I believe in the color Pound Cake. And then moving on to my face powder, I love this LA Girl powder. My color is in Buff, and I'm just applying it with a Makeup Shack round top kabuki brush, and it just gives me the fullest coverage. And then going into my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, I'm using my Zoeva 275 or something like that angled brush, and I'm just applying it to the perimeter, like the outer parts of my face, and you know, the usual places you normally bronze. And then I'm going in with a deeper bronzer. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the color C8 Cocoa. Dance break. And then I'm going in with Ofra Rodeo Drive, and this is like the most beautiful highlight, you guys. It's such a pretty gold, oops, excuse me. And then I'm highlighting my inner corner with a white shadow. I make sure to always spray my brush just so that way my inner corner color is intense. So going back to the crease color, that mustardy color, and also I went back to the burnt orange color and put both colors underneath the lash line. And then lining my lips with the LA Girl Keep It Spicy, and then, oh my god, this is going too fast, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in Nudist, and then now the Maybelline Vivid Lacquer in Unreal, now the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. So yes, I did put 4 different things on my lips, but sometimes you just gotta be extra to look extra bomb. Alright guys, so this is it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy this super easy, super wearable Valentine's Day look. Don't forget to subscribe.